So I said once I have the tank off, let me check the air filters, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts in there. I took them off, and guess what? The air filter was falling apart. I don't see if you, let's see if you guys can see it. It's breaking, foam stuff on the side. Side is falling off. See the other one that I took out? And then when you look in there, you could see, I don't know if you guys could see in there, probably not. But yeah, it's falling apart, so that's pretty bad. So I took these things off, these 3 bolts, took this off. So you guys could see in there. I'm gonna have to get in there and clean that out, because you definitely don't want that debris getting into the engine. But the good thing is throttle bodies are closed, so if any of it fall in there, I could use a vacuum or something and get it out. So that's how I got to the air filters. Not too hard to get to. I think I'm gonna end up buying some K&N. All right, thanks. Okay, morning. So the K&N air filters came in. I bought them used because it's close to 100 or over 100 for the new one. The ones I bought was dirty, so I had to use the K&N cleaning solution to clean it and then re-oil it. So the only issue I have with it, I guess the ones I bought, is you see the top of them is a little chewed up. But anyways, for the air box, I basically had to open up these two panels right here, and what I did was just stuck my hand in there and grab out all the particles I could that had broken off from the old air filter, because it had oil on it, so even if I had a vacuum, it wasn't sucking up because it was sticking to wherever it was. So I just did that and got that out of there. So now I'm basically just gonna stick in the air filter. You see that part says front. I already did the other side, and then just screw them in, and then that ends the air filter portion. All right. Okay, so as you can see here, because of the top of those filters are a little beat up, I guess the thing didn't fit in quite as well, the bar that holds it up, but it went in there, so put it down and tighten it up. All right. Oh, and then the other thing too is where the filter goes in. When I was doing the cleaning, I cleaned it out best I can, but what I did was I made sure the area after where the filter is, so meaning these 2 caps that I took off, I made sure that area was super clean, because that's actually part of the combustion chamber that goes into the throttle bodies. So I made sure that was clean, in the area before the filters is what the filter would catch anyway, so I didn't worry too much about that. All right, thanks.